Imagine your walls, stark plains yearning for stories, yearning for personality. Enter the charming world of wooden wall decorations, where nature's artistry meets human creativity, transforming bare spaces into warm, inviting narratives. More than just ornaments, these handcrafted pieces whisper tales of rustic simplicity, modern minimalism, or vibrant cultural heritage, offering a window into your unique soul. The allure of wooden wall decorations transcends mere aesthetics. Unlike their mass-produced counterparts, each piece embodies the uniqueness of nature. Imagine a reclaimed wood sign showcasing a cherished coat, its weathered surface bearing the patina of time, each imperfection whispering a story of its own. Picture a hand-carved animal silhouette adorning your nursery, its smooth curves reminiscent of nature's playful spirit, offering a gentle guardian for your little one. Wood carries the soul of the forest, adding a touch of organic warmth and character to your walls. But the magic doesn't stop there. Wood, in its inherent versatility, adapts to any style. Picture a rustic wooden shelf displaying family photos in your farmhouse kitchen, its warm tones complementing exposed brick walls and vintage accents. In contrast, envision a sleek geometric wall sculpture made from reclaimed barn wood in your modern living room. Its minimalist design adding a touch of urban chic to your contemporary space. No matter your aesthetic, wood offers a form that resonates its natural charm, adding a layer of depth and texture to your walls. Furthermore, wooden wall decorations possesses an enduring durability that surpasses fleeting trends. Unlike fragile paper prints or fading fabrics, wood weathers the test of time, gracefully maturing with each passing year. Each scratch or scar becomes a cherished mark, a testament to memories made and stories shared. These decorations are not just embellishments, they are companions on your life's journey. Their presence evolving alongside you, their stories intertwining with your own. Beyond aesthetics and durability, wooden wall decorations offers a sensory experience unmatched by any other material. The smooth warmth of polished wood, the intricate details of hand-carved designs, these evoke a tactile connection that draws you in, fostering a sense of calm and grounding. In a world dominated by digital screens and fleeting images, wood offers a tangible reminder of nature's simple pleasures, a quiet respite for the other senses. Moreover, choosing wooden wall decorations can be a conscious environmental choice, opting for sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood. It shows you're contributing to responsible forest management and reducing your environmental footprint. By decorating with nature's bounty, you not only beautify your home, but also make a statement about your commitment to a sustainable future. So, the next time you're looking to infuse your walls with warmth and personality, look beyond the ordinary. Embrace the whispers of wooden bowl decorations. Invest in pieces that speak to your heart, reflect your values, and tell the story of your unique journey. From rustic signs to intricate sculptures, let nature's artistry and human creativity transform your bare walls into a canvas of memories, a tapestry of emotion, and a haven that truly reflects your inner self. Remember, your walls are waiting to be filled, not just with decorations, but with stories. And what better way to tell yours than with the timeless warmth and enduring charm of wood? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on interior design tips and home decor inspirations. Until next time, happy decorating!